Hi guys, it's been a while since I've done a video. Let's find some better lighting. Peter Rassenti Snafu. No, I mean it's the druid flipper actually. Gorgeous Chet Nicholas Damascus stainless. Not sure which pattern this is. Amazing action. No stick at all. Drops like that. I think the table works better actually. Focus is better. Early lockup. Integral. Gorgeous Zerg pivot color. This is actually carved out, I think. You can see the star pin over there. Santi always puts his logo in the logbar cutout. Gorgeous milled clip. And the top side actually has a curve to it. Another peek at the Damascus. It's actually has actually been ground over here and over here, of course, but the top is done too. You can do both. Light switch it or push it in. Gorgeous knife. It's actually my first piece using Chet Nicholas Damascus. It's a lot darker than Demo Steel or anything I've seen before. Well, I have seen Chet's Damascus on pieces I saw at the gathering, but not in real life actually. I mean, not on a piece that I own. Amazing action. There's actually a lanyard hole over here. Thanks for watching.